I'm going to tell you 10 important health benefits of cinnamon supported by scientific research. Let's get started. Number 10. Cinnamon is high in substance with powerful medicinal properties. Cinnamon is a spice that is made from the inner bark of trees. It has been used as an ingredient throughout history, dating back as far as ancient Egypt. It used to be rare and valuable and was regarded as a gift fit for kings. Cinnamon is a popular spice. It's high in cinnamaldehyde, which is thought to be responsible for most of cinnamon's health benefits. Number 9. Cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants. Antioxidants protect your body from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Cinnamon is loaded with powerful antioxidants such as polyphenols. In a study that compared the antioxidant activity of 26 spices, cinnamon wound up as the clear winner, even outranking superfoods like garlic and oregano. In fact, it is so powerful that cinnamon can be used as a natural food preservative. Number 8. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants in cinnamon have anti-inflammatory effects which may help lower your risk of disease. Inflammation is incredibly important. It helps your body fight infections and repair tissue damage. However, inflammation can be a problem when it's chronic and directed against your body's own tissues. Cinnamon may be useful in this regard. Studies show that this spice and its antioxidants have potent anti-inflammatory properties. Number 7. Cinnamon may cut the risk of heart disease. Cinnamon has been linked to reduce risk of heart disease, the world's most common cause of premature death. In people with type 2 diabetes, about half a teaspoon of cinnamon per day has been shown to have beneficial effects on blood markers. It reduces levels of total cholesterol, bad LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides, while good HDL cholesterol remains stable. Number 6. Cinnamon can improve sensitivity to the hormone insulin. Insulin is one of the key hormones that regulate metabolism and energy use. It's also essential for transporting blood sugar from your bloodstream to your cells. The problem is that many people are resistant to the effects of insulin. This is known as insulin resistance, a hallmark of serious conditions like metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes. The good news is that cinnamon can dramatically reduce insulin resistance, helping this important hormone to do its job. Number 5. Cinnamon lowers blood sugar levels and has a powerful anti-diabetic effect. Apart from the beneficial effects on insulin resistance, cinnamon can lower blood sugar by several other mechanisms. First, cinnamon has been shown to decrease the amount of glucose that enters your bloodstream after a meal. It does this by interfering with numerous digestive enzymes, which slows the breakdown of carbohydrates in your digestive tract. Second, a compound in cinnamon can act on cells by mimicking insulin. Number 4. Cinnamon may have beneficial effects on neurodegenerative diseases. Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease are two of the most common types. Two compounds found in cinnamon appear to inhibit the buildup of a protein called tau in the brain, which is one of the hallmarks of Alzheimer's disease. In a study in mice with Parkinson's disease, cinnamon helped protect neurons, normalize neurotransmitter levels, and improve motor function. Number 3. Cinnamon may protect against cancer. Cinnamon has been widely studied for its potential use in cancer prevention and treatment. Overall, the evidence is limited to test tube and animal studies, which suggest that cinnamon extracts may protect against cancer. It acts by reducing the growth of cancer cells and the formation of blood vessels and tumors, and appears to be toxic to cancer cells, causing cell death. A study in mice with colon cancer revealed that cinnamon is a potent activator of detoxifying enzymes in the colon, protecting against further cancer growth. Number 2. Cinnamon helps fight bacterial and fungal infections. Cinnamaldehyde, one of the main active components of cinnamon, may help fight various kinds of infection. Cinnamon oil has been shown to effectively treat respiratory tract infections caused by fungi. It can also inhibit the growth of certain bacteria, including Listeria and Salmonella. However, the evidence is limited, and so far cinnamon has not been shown to reduce infections elsewhere in the body. Number 1. Cinnamon may help fight the HIV virus. HIV is a virus that slowly breaks down your immune system, which can eventually lead to AIDS if untreated. Cinnamon extracted from cassia varieties is thought to help fight against HIV-1, the most common strain of the HIV virus in humans. A laboratory study looking at HIV-infected cells found that cinnamon was the most effective treatment of all 69 medicinal plants studied. Human trials are needed to confirm these effects. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click on this video to discover 10 foods that have more protein than an egg. That's it. That's all. See you next time.